Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Did you suddenly get superpowers so you can see auras around people? Were you disappointed to find out it was just a medical condition? If you have broadband type, vicious snow, you are not alone. Our friend Jong Yap has also asked for a natural method for this. Wouldn't it be great once the snow has stopped? Just follow along with me. Let's fix your broadband type vicious snow syndrome. With both fingers, tap on top of your eyes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at the bottom of your eyes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on the side of your eyes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap on top of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands press onto your ears. Push it in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push hard so that you feel a suction sensation. 3, 4, 5. Push it in and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2. Please press your palm firmly against your ear. With your fingers on the side of your head and look up and blink. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be shy. Lift your head all the way back. Look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands in front of your eyes. Move forward and blink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place both hands onto your eyes and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your eyes firmly. You may feel tension or a pulsating feeling. 5. Gently release your hands and open your eyes and drop your hands down. Blink your eyes 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And close your eyes and squeeze it as tight as you can for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently open your eyes. Place both hands onto your eyes again and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place your palm firmly against your eye. You will feel the jelly texture of your eye. Gently release your hands and drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.